was on my birthday too. Like,
Who cares?
I didn't go to my birthday party. Like, I missed it.
Oh my
I didn't-
God.
You know, like I spent the day with her. Like, the
That's
whole day.
little boy concerns. If you're making baby, you don't get to have little boy concerns. At all. It's a very difficult thing being pregnant. You know, watching pregnant is not so hard, but
like,
being pregnant is.
Like I didn't ask her to get pregnant. Like she got. I feel like
I always look over at Joe and it's like he's killing himself. He's killing himself. What do you mean? But you got her pregnant.
yeah, but like I feel like she got pregnant
On purpose.
I feel like she was trying to trap me.
Explain that to me. Why do you feel that she got pregnant on purpose?
Because when we started like sleeping around, like
Sleeping around.
or like it was only like 2 months that we were together, and like it was like right after like a few times.
Were you taking any precautions and to preclude pregnancy?
No, I thought she was.
Did you have any discussion?
Huh?
Did you have any discussion with her about contraception?
I told her like I do not want to have no more kids, and she said like don't worry about it. You know, like to this day, like she doesn't want me to use protection. Like I feel like I'm like falling into a hole.
Ms. Quezada, please tell me that's not true.
No, it is true because I know that I'm taking care of myself and I'm using birth control.
Well, what happened there, Ms.?
I'm not really good at using pills.
She's not
Do you
responsible.
forget to take them or they just don't work for you?
I forget to take them.
Oh, okay. If you know you forget to take pills, why wouldn't you
But-
let him use
No, Your Honor,
protection?
he didn't have a condom with him that day. Like the first time
Then
we
tell
had
him
sex,
to go and
No.
come back tomorrow.
Like, no, that's